Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful pesto chicken pasta. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring the best possible taste for our dish. Then, we'll move on to perfectly cooking the pasta to an al dente texture, which is crucial for a satisfying bite. Next, we'll prepare the tender chicken and a vibrant pesto sauce. Finally, we'll combine everything to create a truly delicious and easy-to-make meal that your family will love. First, let's prepare our chicken. Take 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Cook them in a skillet over medium heat until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring they are fully cooked and juicy. Simultaneously, boil 8 ounces of your favorite pasta according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water before you drain it. This will be key later. Now for the star of our dish, the pesto sauce. In a food processor, combine 2 cups of fresh basil leaves with 2 cloves of garlic. Pulse until finely chopped. Then, add 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/4 cup of pine nuts. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil until the sauce is smooth and well combined. Finally, season your vibrant green pesto with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. With all components ready, it's time to bring our dish together. First, slice your perfectly cooked chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, combine the drained pasta with the freshly made pesto sauce, tossing gently to ensure every strand is coated. Next, add the sliced chicken to the pasta mixture. If the sauce seems a little thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water to achieve a silky consistency. Serve immediately, garnished with extra grated Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves for a beautiful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.